Hey guys, so I have been couponing at CVS recently and I just wanted to go over today's breakdown that I had. So the first deal that I had on here was the Tide Pods. So these Tide Pods are actually, these are the 16 count. You guys can see it over here on the side. These are the 16 count. So at CVS right now, these are marked at $4.94 instead of the original price, which I'm not actually sure what the original price is. But they were marked down to $4.94. And if you have the CVS app, on the app, it has a $3 off of one Tide Pods for the 12 to 16 count. So this, the CVS deal and also the CVS coupon or the manufacturer coupon on the app, it actually made it only $1.94, which is really good for the Tide Pods. This one right here, I actually got it on clearance. They're originally like $9.99 if I remember correctly. So they were $9.99 at CVS, and I believe they are marked 75% off. So it made it about like $2.50 or so. It's marked weird on my receipt right here, but it still rang up at $2.50 or $2.49. So the next deal that I did was the Colgate Max Fresh. So I got two of these, and they were two for $6 at CVS. And when you bought two, you also got a $4 extra buck back. So that actually made these $1 each or $2 for both, but you still paid the $6 out of pocket. But it ended up being a really good deal. And then the next deal that I did that's not pictured, I actually bought two cereals. So I bought the General Mills Lucky Charms and the General Mills Honey Nut Cheerios. And so they're each $5.29 and $4.99, but they're on sale 2 for $4. Plus I had a $1 off of 2 coupon, making it 2 for $3 or $1.50 each. So that was also a really good deal. My favorite deal that I did out of these 5, I guess, was the Wet n Wild, because I had a $3 off when you spent $10 on Wet n Wild products. And then also when you spend $10 on Wet n Wild, you get $5 back in extra care bucks. So just that in itself is a really good deal. But I also had a $1 off of coupon for the Wet n Wild face products, a $1 off on the eye products, and 50 cents off of any Wet n Wild product. So I had $2.50 in coupon savings, $3 from CVS, and then I was gonna get back $5. So these 3 products I believe came out to $10.77 because this was initially $5.99, $2.99, and $1.99. So it came out to $10.77. And then if you subtract the $2.50 from the coupons, that's $8.27. And then if you subtract the actual $3 from CVS, that's $5.27. And so you only spent $5.27 out of pocket, plus you got $5 back, making all 3 of these items 27 cents each, or 9 cents a piece, which is really good. So that's all the transactions that I made today, but I'm gonna be trying to film more couponing videos since I've been really into it lately. Oh, and then I forgot to mention, I actually got extra care bucks. So I only spent, I don't know if you guys can see it there, but I only spent $8.03 out of pocket because I also had some coupons, some extra care bucks from CVS from my last transaction. So I had $6 on my card and a $5 printout, but it ended up bringing it down to $8.03. And then I got $9 back in extra care bucks. So I basically made like $1 from this transaction, which is really cool. So yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you guys soon.